Good afternoon, my friends. Happy Sunday to all of you. U.S. Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen has a big announcement to all Americans on the rising cost of living adjustment. Millions of Social Security beneficiaries are eligible to claim extra financial aid right now. Some will be even eligible to receive an extra $800 a month. So, dear friends, please make sure that you watch until the end of this video to find out more about these new benefits. Also know that I'll be giving away a $75 Walmart gift card every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sundays. If you would like to enter any of the giveaways, all you have to do is click and like several of my videos, and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. The more often you comment below keyword, the greater your chance of winning the $75 gift card. And friends, in a video later today, I will be announcing the winner of today's giveaway, so please stay tuned.
Biden, inflation is just a number, but for working American families, it is the crushing result of this administration's failed policies that must be overturned to get our nation back on the right track. That's why this week, along with 22 of my Republican colleagues, we introduced a resolution calling for greater American oil and natural gas production. Our resolution reaffirms that American energy is the answer to lowering energy cost, curbing inflation, and putting America first once again. During the State of the Union, President Biden stood right in this room and said that we need a buy American, build American. Well, I tell you what, I got news for the president. It takes American energy. It takes American energy because we do it better than anybody on the face of this earth. So, the American people, not President Biden, have the capability and resolve to rebuild our economic engine. President Biden must get on board with the American people. He must put the American people first or get out of the way. Thank you, and I yield back.
Thank you, my friend. From one energy state resident to another, we know and we can say clearly that energy security is national security. Right?
Absolutely.
And this White House just doesn't get it. Thank you so much for reminding us of that. Madam Speaker, I am truly grateful again to my many colleagues who were here tonight from all across the country to join us as we...
Now, friends, in 2021, an average of 65 million Americans per month have received Social Security benefits totaling over $1 trillion that was paid during that year. I know that many of you are wondering how you can increase your Social Security benefits. Well, friends, spousal benefits are one of the best ways to boost your monthly Social Security check or give you a Social Security check if you don't usually qualify on your own. When a worker applies for retirement benefits through Social Security, the worker's spouse may be eligible for a benefit as well. It is based on the worker's earnings. Other requirements include the spouse being at least a minimum age at which you can begin taking distributions, or having a qualifying child in their care. Qualifying children means a child under the age of 16 or one who receives disability benefits. The Social Security Administration has said that the spousal benefit can be as much as half of the worker's primary insurance amount, and that's depending on the spouse's age at retirement. If the spouse decides to receive benefits before full retirement age, they'll receive reduced benefits as a result. However, if the spouse is caring for a qualifying child, their spousal benefit is not reduced. If a spouse is eligible for a retirement benefit based on their own earnings, and if that benefit is higher than the spousal benefit, then the Social Security Administration pays them the retirement benefit. Now, friends, we have an announcement from U.S. Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen. Janet Yellen has said that she believes that the Federal Reserve can bring down inflation without causing a recession because of a strong U.S. job market and household balance sheets, low debt costs, and a strong banking sector. Janet Yellen also told U.S. House of Representatives Financial Services Committee during a hearing that all of those things suggest that the Fed has a path to bring down inflation without causing a recession. Yellen said during the hearing on the Financial Stability Oversight Council's work that inflation was the number one economic issue facing the nation and the Biden administration. It is having a substantial adverse impact on many vulnerable households, and we are laser focused on addressing inflation. Yellen said, repeating the Biden administration's initiatives to hold down gasoline prices through large releases of crude oil from the Strategic Petroleum Reserve and efforts to unblock congested U.S. port. But Janet Yellen has deflected several attempts, from Republican lawmakers trying to persuade her to blame high inflation on President Biden's $1.9 trillion crisis relief spending package last year. Friends, the keyword for this video is mammoth. If you would like to enter today's $75 Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos, and then comment below this keyword, which is mammoth, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. And friends, also please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Now friends, a new minimum wage will take effect in California next year, an increase triggered by soaring inflation. California Governor Gavin Newsom's administration announced this week that the state's minimum wage will jump to $15.50 per hour. The increase is required by a state law passed in 2016. The law says that the minimum wage must increase to $15.50 per hour if inflation increased by more than 7% between the year 2021 and 2022. The California Department of Finance said they project inflation for the 2022 fiscal year, and it will be 7.6% higher than the year before, triggering this increase. Inflation cooled on an annual basis for the first time in months in April, but rose more than expected as supply chain constraints. Strong consumer demand continued to keep consumer prices running near a 40-year high. California lawmakers voted to increase the minimum wage to $15 per hour in 2016. The increase was phased in over several years. The minimum wage is currently $15 per hour for companies with 25 or more workers, and $14 per hour for companies with 25 or fewer employees. California has about 3 million minimum wage employees. So friends, what are your thoughts on raising the state of California's minimum wage? Please leave your answers in the comments section below. Well, my amazing and wonderful friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you so very, very much for joining me here today. I greatly appreciate all of you who are watching my videos daily. Please do me a big favor, friends, and share this video with your friends and family if they need more reliable and accurate stimulus information. Thank you so much, my friends, and have a wonderful and blessed Sunday.